everybody. We're doing the big 3 wiring kit on my S2000, maybe 2. Anthony is about to show you guys how we're going to cut them and size them up. This is the wire that goes, the gray one to the ground, and the blue is the power. This one goes from the battery to the shell, to the ground, and we're about to cut it up. And this is 0 gauge. I'm doing this because I have a pretty intense stereo system in there, so we're about to just cut this up, size it up. There we go. Make it move.
Alright, so we're going to crimp on the terminal, or the lug, I should say, onto the wire. This tool, this is the same tool I used to on my battery relocation on the O2 AP1. So all you do is insert the lug in between and center it. Just give it a couple whacks. It's crimped, so it gives it a nice little crimp in there. And then we just slide the heat shrink on.
This is exactly what it came out looking like. We put it's sleeving, it's half hinge. Came out obviously looking great, and this is how every single piece that we're gonna do for the big 3 kit is gonna look like.
Alright, so we just got done doing the big 3 wiring kit on Billy's AP2. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the new 0 gauge ground. It just bolts to the factory OEM spot on the firewall using that 10mm bolt. This is the new wire that runs all the way to the alternator. We took the cowl off and ran it underneath and back out through this rubber grommet here. And as you can see, it goes to that bolt right there. So we'll get underneath and show you the engine to the motor mount ground. So there's grounds to the factory spot and to the subframe here. So those 3 grounds, known as the big 3, got it done. So if you have any questions, please feel free to DM us, email, comment, and we'll answer anything accordingly. Alright, thanks for watching.